Hey everyone, this is Anthony with Leatherman in Portland, Oregon. And today I'm excited to walk through our newest product, the Leatherman Maintenance Kit. So let's get into it. The Leatherman Maintenance Kit includes the following: a cleaning mat, a microfiber cloth, cleaning swabs and cleaning picks, a cleaning brush, lubrication oil, and the Leatherman blade sharpener. All of these essentials fit into this durable nylon case, great for carrying in your car for work in the field or storing in your garage. The carrying case also includes extra pockets for a multi-tool or knife, so it's ready whenever you are. To properly clean your multi-tool, here are a few basic tips. First, find a level surface for your cleaning mat. From there, take your favorite solvent and coat the areas on your multi-tool that need the most cleaning. You can use the cleaning brush to really get into those hard-to-reach surfaces. For hard-to-reach areas or stubborn stains, you can use the cleaning pick or the included cleaning swabs in your maintenance kit. Once the surfaces are clean, dry the areas off with your microfiber cloth. You can also use the included blade sharpener to touch up any edges that might need sharpening. The last step in the cleaning process is to use the included lubrication oil to oil any pivot points or locking surfaces. Now your multi-tool should be ready to go. For more information about the Leatherman Maintenance Kit or any other great accessories for your multi-tool, visit leatherman.com.